Hello friends, I am Shamina Sheikh. Welcome to Sant Tukaram National Model School, Latur. Class 2nd, Subject English. Dear students, here I have some sentences for you. So, let us read the sentences. I have an apple. I have a capsicum. So students, can we join these sentences? Yes, we can join these sentences by using and. So, what will be the sentence? The sentence will be I have an apple and a capsicum. Now, let us see the next sentences. Rinku likes to sing. Rinku does not like to dance. Now, can we join these two sentences? Yes, of course. We can join these sentences by using but. So, the sentence will be Rinku likes to sing but does not like to dance. Now let us read the next sentences. You can use a pen. You can use a pencil. Can we join these sentences? Yes, we can join these two sentences by using or. So, what will be the sentence? So, the sentence will be you can use a pen or pencil. So students, we have learned to join the sentences by using the words like and, but, or. Do you know what do we call the words like and, but, or? The words like and, but, or is known as conjunctions. So students, today we are going to learn a very exciting topic of the grammar, that is conjunctions. So, conjunctions are words that join words or part of a sentences together. With the help of conjunctions, we can extend our lines with simple words like and, but, or. Now, students, let us learn the different conjunctions and its uses. So the first conjunction is and. We use and conjunction for adding information. For an example, a crow and an eagle can fly. Now let us see the another example. My dog and cat likes to chase each other. Dear students, in this sentence, and conjunction is used to add information about dog and cat. Now let us see the next conjunction and its uses. So the next conjunction is but. We use but conjunctions to connect two opposite ideas. For an example, I want to buy those shoes, but I don't have enough money. Let us see the another example of the but conjunction. I want to go to play, but I am sick. Here, in this sentence, but conjunction is used to show the opposite ideas or to connect opposite ideas. Now, let us see the next conjunction and its use. The next conjunction is or. And we use or conjunctions to show the choice. For an example, you can use a pen or pencil. Let us see the another example. Is it Thursday or Friday today? Dear students, again, in this sentence, or conjunction is used to show the choice. In this way, we can use the different conjunctions to join the words or the part of our sentences. So, in the today's video, dear students, we have learnt about different conjunctions and its uses. I hope you understood today's topic of the grammar, that is conjunctions. In the next video, we will learn another topic of the grammar. So till that, take care all of you. Keep reading. Thank you.